Alrighty, Andrew, here's your 427 small block Ford, your scriptless combination. Got a set of AFR castings with our CNC job on it. The Borla stack injected, custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously it's a GT40 front end on it. Series correct oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Okie-doke, 3,600, 491 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 568, peak horsepower 583. It's rated at 575. It's got a front end on it, so runs really good. We'll pull pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find a single credit card, USB card full of technical information. Got the dyno video, engine specs, a lot of stuff technical to watch. Highly recommend to do it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up that you need from us. Flip it over, this QR code. That'll take you to more tech stuff. So lots of stuff there to watch. It'll help you in installation. Have a great day.